Hello friends, welcome back to another innovative do-it-yourself project video. Friends, I am Biju Thomas and you are watching our YouTube channel BBN Creations. If you are not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you like my video, then give me a thumbs up also. Continuation of my last year video of digital Christmas star with RGB LED strip light. This time we are going to make a 3D printed star with 7 color LED light and without any Arduino program. How to make a 3D Christmas star with multicolor LED lights. In this do-it-yourself project video, we are going to use 7 color LED that is using for making color bulb. Materials are required. 3D printed star wings 5 numbers. Download free STL file. Downloading links are added in below description. Use white clear printing material in your 3D printer. If you don't have 3D printer, then you can make it with acrylic sheet also. 3D printer star middle part, top and bottom. Seven color LED plate 5 numbers. LED plate fixing aluminum plate. 3D star making process. Then join all 5 wings with middle part by using adhesive. After fixing the star wings, we need to make LED light fixing plates. Mark hole center of each LEDs and drill it. Bend the sheet into 5-side pentagon. Fix each LED in each side with adhesive and also fix 2 numbers screws in outer area for holding it. Then solder wires in each LED plates and join together with push connector. Fix the ready light frame in middle of the star with 3D printed support. Fix middle top cover and tight all screws. Connect power supply. Simply on off switch in each time you can change the star colors. Enjoy the beauty of own-made 3D Christmas star. Thanks to all for watching this do-it-yourself project video.